What's up, guys? Welcome to Poor Man Mods. This is going to be a different kind of video. I'm going to be doing this with my cell phone because I left all my camera gear here. But hopefully this is going to be a quick video. My girlfriend got me the shifter boot and parking brake boot for the IS300. Clearly for the IS300. I'm going to see if we can get it installed and see if I can show you how to do it. It shouldn't be that hard and it shouldn't be that long, so using my cell phone. Hopefully this video helps you out and hopefully it looks good, so let's get to it. Alright, let's start off with the shifter boot. First thing you have to do is remove your shift knob. Cut. Alright, pull out your ashtray, then we're going to pop this piece up and pull it out. These things are awesome. I'll have a link in the description if you want these. These are hilarious. So, like if you go to the grocery store and someone parks like a dick, you can leave them these cards. Hey. Wow, another Euro import driver parked his car like an asshole. Shocking. There's a bunch of different sayings in here. They're pretty funny. Alright, once you pop this up, you're going to disconnect the 3 connectors down here so you can remove it. So now we need to get the boot assembly down and out. So this chrome trim is attached to this piece, and the boot is clipped onto this chrome piece underneath. So you can see the clip there. There's clips all the way around that hold the ring in. Just need to pop them out, maybe with a flathead screwdriver, and this should come out from the bottom. Yeah, this is pretty simple. Not easy with a camera and only 2 hands, but you're gonna put your flathead screwdriver in these slots all the way around, push in, and that'll pop out. As you can see, it's popped out up here. Just stick it in all the slots around and it'll pop out. Once all the clips are undone, it'll fall right out. The factory boot is just glued onto this ring, so just need to rip it off, and then we should be able to glue the new boot on. Yeah, so just go around the edge and just start peeling this up. It's glued on, and you should be able to just pull it right off this ring, just like that. Son of a bitch. Once you get the factory boot off, slide the retaining ring into your new shifter boot, and we're going to be using super glue to attach this, and we're going to be going around it in sections. We're going to use these clamps. I wish I had more, but we're going to be using these clamps. We'll clamp the leather down, glue it, let it sit, and work our way around until it's all done. Okay, so we have 3 clamps installed, and I'm going to be using JB Weld's super glue. We're just going to glue the hell out of the leather. You want to make sure you get the glue under the leather and then clamp it on. So I got 3 clamps and 1 vice grip. Got it glued on. I'll let these sections dry a little bit and then I'll rotate it and try to get the rest of it. Okay, you want to make sure that the clips on the retainer are poking out through the leather. You might have to trim it. And now, let's see if it's going to work. We got to put this over and snap it in. Alright, it's snapped in, it's looking good. Now we can put this back in the car. I won't show you how to do it because it's pretty damn easy, but I'll put this back in the car, show you what it looks like, and then we'll do the handbrake. Oh man, I fucked up. It's not life-ending, but I'm pretty sure IS300 is supposed to be in the back, and I put it in the front. Yeah. Not a big deal, I guess, but the leather is in much better condition than the old stuff, and I think it looks a lot better. The blue stitching looks nice. Hard to tell on camera, but it does look better. You can tell, nice new leather, old crappy leather. So this is next. To remove the parking brake boot, get a flathead screwdriver, and you can pry up on it. Just work your way around. So with this, you're going to want to lift up And for me to get it out, I had to push forward. There's this tab in the back here, so up and forward, and it comes out. So the only real two clips holding it in, the two yellow ones up top, and you have to slide it off that. Yep. Okay, same deal here. Rip off the glued section of the boot. Now it wraps all the way around. Rip it off and glue the new one on. Alright, got the old one off. This should be interesting. Just gonna put the boot around here again and clamp it and glue it. Okay, so I have it clamped and I'm pretty bummed. I don't think you'll be able to tell, but they made it a little too short. It doesn't cover the whole thing, but this will be below the passenger seat. I don't think I'll notice it, but I'll know it's there, and it's pretty annoying. Yeah. Alright, I have it all glued up and clamped, letting it dry for a bit, and then we'll throw it in the car, see if it fits. It looks like hell. Alright, got both of them in. Just gotta reinstall this the same way you removed it. Looks a whole lot better. I like it. Looks real good. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something. Hopefully this helps you out. And if you need these, I'll have a link in the description down below for these. And I'll see you next time.
You're welcome.
Thanks. Thanks.